This is a 2009 Jaguar XJ. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4.2-liter V8. Its top features include a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.